Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I am gonna show you the WordPress basics, which let's go to our Google Chrome. And in the previous video we made a site named cyberfeed.loves2blog.com. Let's see. You can see this is a basic site. If you don't know how to create that, you can check the video showing on your I button. So for admin panel, you have to put your URL into your browser and then put a slash and wp-admin to have access in your admin panel. In here, log in with your credentials, which we had made in previous video. So now let's get an introduction with our WordPress dashboard. In the home section, you can see this is showing because SSL certificate is not optimized, not installed in my website. We will install it on later on. If you go to updates, you will see the available updates for your website, which you can see a new version of WordPress is available, which is 6.5.3. You can update it to the latest version. We are using now 6.5.2 and click update to update it. In the update section, the all available updates will be shown here. Click on update. This will take some minutes to update your system, and you can see now the update is downloading. By that, you can download the update of your WordPress. Okay, now WordPress has been updated. If you go to post, you can see all your posts here. Let me open my website in another tab. You can see this is a page. Okay, we will design it later on. And if you go to blog, you can see these are the posts. Okay, make your investment wisely. These are called the posts, which will be shown over here in your blog section. And in media, you can add media. This is unsafe. Okay, in the media library, you will upload your media, which we will use in our WordPress site. In the pages, you can see the pages. This is a page, like this is our home page, this is our about page, this is our contact page. We will modify it according to our blog site, and I will show you how to the full process of creating a website. If you like this kind of videos, just hit the subscribe button and follow this playlist. I will upload every detailed video after 2 or 3 days. Okay, if you post anything, okay, if someone comments on your post, the comments will be shown here. You can approve it or unapprove it from your site. Let's see. This is a demo comment. Okay, in the hello world post. So if you go to the post, let me go to the first blog, then the hello world post. You can see a comment here. Okay, you can see that. If you unapprove it from here, the comment will be not shown there. Okay, now you can see there is no comments. You have to, if anyone comments on your site, you will get a get this notification on your dashboard. So you have to approve it to shown on your site. In appearance, there are many sections like themes, patterns. You can customize a theme, widgets, menus, and theme file editor. We will make another separate video with for this appearance section. And the most important thing is plugins. Plugins are the softwares which you can use in your website. Like here is a plugin named Page Layer. Here is a plugin named Hello Dolly, and you can see the description in the right side. You can delete or activate your plugins from here. Okay, now you have a user section. In this, you will create a user or edit your existing user from here. You can change your password, your profile photo from here. In tools, you can see available tools. You can import any tools or export your site tools, site health, your data, and you can also erase your personal data from here. In settings, there are in general settings we can see the site name, site icon, okay, etc. And the writing section, you can add your mail server. In the reading section, you can change your home page, like you can add your latest post to your home page. If you do this, your latest post will be shown in your home page. Now if I go to my home, my post will be shown here. Okay, you can now see that all the posts have been moved to your home page. Now let's put it in a static page. Okay, and the post page in this block. Oh, sorry, I did not save that. Static page, home page. Select home as your home page and post page as your block. So your all posts will be shown in block, and the home page will be a static page. If I now refresh it, you can see this is our home page. Okay. You can start a discussion from here. You have your media settings here. You can adjust your thumbnail size, the medium size, large size, and the most important thing is permalinks. Permalinks is see how your link will be shown, like you have your website and then /p equal to 123. That means 123 numbered post will be shown by this. You can change to a custom structure or your post name. This will look more professional on your site, and you can have some privacy settings in here. Now this is the dashboard for WordPress. This is the basic video about the introduction of your WordPress dashboard. So in the next video we will modify our home page, and we will write post with the help of ChatGPT. So stay updated. Just hit the subscribe button to stay updated on this playlist. Thank you.